Today I'll teach you guys how to delete your search history on TikTok. It's pretty simple. After you open TikTok, you can click on the search icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on the search icon, it's going to take you to the searching place. Now over here at the bottom, Mr. Beast, Richie, Kevin, Messi, this is basically all my search history. Now I only have 3, alright? But in your case, it might show you tons if you have tons of search history. And if you want to delete them, then right beside the search name, you can see the X button. So if I want to delete Richie Kevin, I can click on X right beside his name and he will be removed from my search history. Just like this, if I do it for others as well, they are going to be removed. And just like this, I just deleted my search history on TikTok. But remember this, if you delete something from your search history, you cannot recover it again. So let's say you were searching for something very important and you deleted it from your search history. Now you cannot recover it again. So before you perform this action, I just want you guys to remember that before you delete your search history on TikTok, make sure to check if the thing which you are deleting, it's actually not needed for you. Because if it is needed for you and once you delete it, you cannot recover it. I'm going to say it again, it's very important, alright? So hope you understand on how to delete your search history on TikTok. If you guys have any question relating this video, ask me in the comment. I'll answer you guys and help you fix the problem. I will see you guys in my future TikTok related videos. You're watching One to Step. Peace out.